This is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is a 512 gigabyte phone. It's in black. It does say Phantom Black on the color, so it's Phantom Black. So here's the phone taken out of the box, and you turn it on by pressing the volume down and power button simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds, and then that's what shows when you turn it on. This phone has a 200 MP camera, and it's supposed to be Samsung's fastest mobile processor ever. And if you look at it, it has multiple cameras, and the design is it's eco design. It's more innovation, less footprint. It has power for those who don't pause at night. It has low light and camera action. The phone comes with a charger, the wire for the charger only, and some instructions like usual. So I'm just showing you the turning on again and a quick setup. So that's what shows when you click on the phone. This is new to me because I always have the iPhone. So showing you that's for the messages. Then it has the Google app there. It's the Android, so of course it's there. And then that's the camera. Also, just letting you know, there is an S Pen there where I haven't figured it out as I open it. So, but there's a pen with it attached. So, just showing you quickly an overview of this phone and what to expect. Those apps were already in there, so they were all set up, and that's the settings just to figure out to see the phone's settings and features. It's there. I'm just getting used to it because again, I've had iPhone before this one. Showing you the settings and how to see each settings just quickly. But it's pretty easy actually to operate. It's if you're used to iPhone, it almost feels like it because now you can swipe and that's how you change if you want to change the wallpaper. It's there as well. So like I noticed you would have to use that back arrow back button a lot, which it's gonna take a little bit of getting used to if you're used to iPhone, but this is actually not bad for an iPhone user. I like it. So I did try to do the location. You can turn it on and off as well. Just the common stuff that I am used to with the iPhone. And again, a lot of pushing the arrow back button, and very easy, very easy. I haven't tried the camera yet, but does show you have a way to check on the phone's well-being, like the status. So actually, so the box basically comes with the smartphone, the data cable. That's the one. It's cable only, so you're gonna have to find a plug for it. And it's called, the pen is called the ejection pen. And yeah, keep. I'm just showing you just the overview of what the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra can do. I will be showing you each of it, the features. So it's a shorter video, but I wanted to show what the phone can do in general, like quickly just showing you what apps were already installed. You can also place the weather there. Just input your city, and then turning it off is the same way as turning it on, the power button and the volume at the same time. It's gonna take a lot of getting used to, so you're gonna do that and then click. You can do restart as well, which I'm doing now, and then I'll show you how fast it restarts. That's how, like, probably 5 seconds to restart, and it comes back up. Just needs to get the lens protector and phone protector as well. But basically, that's what the contents of the box are. A quick setup guide in the phone itself. Here's the pen the ejection pen I was talking about. So I will show that in another video on how to use it. I still haven't used it, so I will get that. And those are what's at the bottom and at the side. And I've set it up for a purple wallpaper, which is actually nice. And again, it will take a lot of getting used to if you're an iPhone user, but if you're already a Samsung user, then no sweat. See, that's how the weather shows up. I haven't set up for Wi-Fi yet. I will do it in a different video, but you will also have the app for your card and wallet. It's just basically everything that's offered on the previous phone. Of course, the Google apps are all there in one folder. Gmail, the map, and there's also a folder for Microsoft, so you can put your Hotmail, or if you want to go to Microsoft.com, or just the Microsoft app is all there. It's pretty, like, everything is on